Discord is giving out a total of 10,000 orbs. That's 100% true, not clickbaiting. But I noticed that only 4.5% of you have subscribed to me. Make sure to sub me now so I can make more videos for you. Today, there's a new quest from World of Warcraft, Midnight Video Quest. I think it's a game. Watch this video. It's a 207 minutes watch. You can do it on phone too. This one gives out 700 orbs. The second quest is from ANNO. I don't know if it's a game or some animated movie. You can figure it out. Anyway, it's a 1-minute watch or so. Make sure to do both the quests soon. You don't want to miss out on 1,400 orbs. Just yesterday and a few days ago, I covered many videos on other quests too. If you haven't done them, do it now and complete those quests while you can. In total, you can get over 10,000 orbs, since there are 14 active quests right now. How much is 714, Sar? Yes, it's 98, which means 9,800 orbs. It's almost 10,000 orbs. This is enough to get you around 1 month of free Nitro, since 1 Nitro cost 1,400 orbs. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.